about to install the header pipes, and those are the chrome mufflers. Got a question for you. I put the crush washers in there, and I got the sleeves in as they're supposed to go. Now, I just don't see that thing covering that distance between that crush washer and that. Maybe it does. I don't know. What do you think? I got the right crush washers for it. It's these. I got it from Common. And they're inside. Took the old ones out. I don't know. It seems like a pretty big gap.